B9.5 SQ5, what kind of drone can I expect to introduce by pairing a high flow cat with an X pipe versus pairing a high flow cat with a front resonator delete? How do the exhaust note compare? So in my experience, I I did a lot of the driving and testing on the B9S4 X pipe and high flow cat mods. The X, our ResX is very nice on an otherwise stock exhaust or stock factory Cali converter. It will get more drony and louder if you put a high flow cat in with the ResX. I think our downpipe ResX product with the high flow cat is what I would recommend if you want to go louder but less drony. But once you add the X pipe in and you get rid of that center resonator, the droniness from the high flow cat gets a lot more noticeable. This is all very subjective, and some people think loud exhausts sound great, and some people can't stand anything. So, qualified with the fact that this is all very subjective, but I think my experience and some of the feedback from customers is that the X pipe ResX with the high flow cat is a little loud and drony. If you don't mind that and you're looking for a louder exhaust, then that's definitely the way to go. Oh yeah, and you're in luck, about to drop the front ResX for the SQ5 this week. Those are now done and in stock, and we're gearing up to start shipping those.